Things to follow and 6 habits of reliable suppliers every buyer should look for. Would you like to learn how to spot reliability before your line is at risk? Would you like to know the 6 habits that quietly predict on-time delivery and inconsistent quality? Would you like a checklist so your next sourcing decision from India feels confident and not lucky? The problem is one late truck and your ERP lights up red. A quality escape and you're firefighting with production, logistics and customers. Your cost climbs up and your sleep disappears. The worst part is that you often hear about it when air freight is the only option. Reliability is not a promise, it is a routine. The best suppliers are boringly consistent on the shop floor. It is not the delay that hurts, it is the silence before the delay. You cannot inspect quality inside a part, it has to be built into the process. And also, the lowest quote can become the highest total cost after a single line stoppage. Use this 6 habit checklist. Number 1. Evidence before assurance. Ask for simple run charts, first pass yield, calibration list, and a live control plan. Number 2. Calendar discipline. Confirm capacity loading, maintenance, holiday shutdowns, and the contingency plan. Number 3. Change transparency. Demand, heat, lot traceability, and define what needs approval before any change. Number 4. First time right mindset. Look for error proofing, training sign-offs, and a living PFMEA or work instruction. Number 5. Escalation without any ego. Expect 24-hour containment action, a clear ladder, and fast bad news with all the options. Number 6. Digital clarity. Share a weekly scorecard of OTIF, on-time delivery in full, PPM, open actions, and insist on on-time updates. Choose habits over hype. Next time you evaluate a supplier, ask yourself, do they reduce or create chaos? What is the one silent risk you have faced and which habit would have caught it earlier? Share your thoughts. Thank you and see you in my next video.